In this lesson, we will explore the concept of balancing inventory levels and service levels, a fundamental challenge in inventory management that directly impacts profitability, efficiency, and customer satisfaction. Achieving the right balance ensures that businesses meet customer demand without overinvesting in stock or increasing carrying costs. Inventory levels refer to the quantity of goods a company holds at any given time, while service level represents the ability to meet customer demand without experiencing stockouts. A high service level means customers can always get what they need when they need it, but maintaining such reliability often requires holding large quantities of inventory. Conversely, minimizing inventory reduces costs but increases the risk of stockouts and lost sales. The key to effective inventory management lies in finding the optimal trade-off between these two competing goals. To understand this balance, imagine a spectrum. On one end is maximum customer service, which requires abundant inventory and high costs. On the other end is minimal inventory, which reduces costs but risks poor service. The ideal point is somewhere in the middle, where service levels meet customer expectations at the lowest possible cost. This is known as the optimal service level. Service levels are typically expressed as a percentage that indicates the probability of meeting demand during a replenishment cycle. For example, a 95% service level means that 95% of customer demand is expected to be met without a stockout. Higher service levels require more safety stock, which increases carrying costs, while lower service levels save money but can harm customer satisfaction. Several factors influence the relationship between inventory and service levels. Demand variability, lead time, product value, and customer expectations all play a role. For products with highly unpredictable demand or long lead times, maintaining a higher service level is often necessary to avoid shortages. In contrast, for inexpensive or easily replaceable items, companies may accept a slightly lower service level to control costs. Mathematical models and data analytics can help determine the optimal balance. The Economic Order Quantity Model, or EOQ, helps minimize total costs by balancing ordering and holding costs. Meanwhile, service level targets are often set based on the cost of stockouts versus the cost of holding additional inventory. For example, if losing a sale has a high financial impact, maintaining a higher service level is justified. Conversely, if the cost of holding extra stock outweighs the benefit of avoiding stockouts, a lower service level may be more efficient. Technology plays a vital role in achieving this balance. Advanced inventory management systems use real-time data to monitor stock levels, predict demand, and adjust reorder points automatically. Machine learning algorithms can even simulate different scenarios to identify the most cost-effective service level strategies. These tools enable businesses to respond quickly to market changes while maintaining optimal efficiency. Another important consideration is product segmentation. Not all products require the same service level. High-value or fast-moving items may need higher service levels, while low-value or slow-moving items can tolerate lower levels. Techniques like ABC analysis categorize products based on importance and profitability, allowing businesses to allocate resources effectively and tailor inventory strategies for each group. Balancing inventory and service levels also extends beyond internal operations. Collaboration with suppliers and customers can improve visibility and coordination throughout the supply chain. Vendor-managed inventory programs, shared demand forecasts, and transparent communication reduce uncertainty and help achieve consistent service without excess stock. In summary, balancing inventory levels and service levels is a continuous optimization process. It requires careful analysis of costs, demand patterns, and customer expectations. By leveraging data-driven models, technology, and collaboration, businesses can achieve the right equilibrium, maintaining customer satisfaction while controlling expenses. This balance not only enhances operational efficiency, but also builds resilience and competitive strength in today's fast-moving marketplace.